How to review with Filestage. Filestage is an intuitive platform we use at Salto Innovation to review and provide feedback on content in a clear and organized way. Today, we'll walk you through step-by-step on how to create an effective review for the Salto Innovation team using this platform. Step 1. Access the content. You will receive a link directing you to the specific content sections that need to be reviewed. Click on the link and it will open the specific section of the content for review. Step 2. Review the content. Go through the content carefully, section by section. Pay close attention to the text, style, and overall accuracy of the content. Also review the different design elements proposed for each section. Step 3. Leave feedback for corrections. Add a comment point. Hover over the part of the content where you think a change is needed. Click to add a comment point directly in that specific location. Write your feedback. Clearly explain the issue and suggest the exact correction. To suggest changes in text, use this format for clarity. To request edits to design elements, use the following formats. For color. For image. If you have a specific image or element that you want to use, attach the image on Filestage using the attachment tool. Be as specific as possible. If the content is incorrect or unclear, provide the corrected version in your comment. Some examples. The first draft is the starting point for bringing your vision to life. If you'd like a revised proposal, please provide specific feedback using the guide we just shared. Let us know what you liked, what didn't work for you, and what changes you'd like to see in the second draft. Collaboration is key. We'll work together as a team to refine your content and achieve the best final version. Step 4. Submit your feedback. Once you've finished reviewing the section, make sure all necessary comments have been added. Click Submit or Finish Review, depending on the interface, to finalize your feedback. Remember this: review each section thoroughly to ensure all errors or inconsistencies are identified. Be clear and specific in your comments to avoid any confusion during the revision process. If you encounter any issues accessing the content or using Filestage, please reach out to us for assistance.